Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So the first step would be to open up your Binance, head to the wallet section at the bottom right. But before you do any of that, make sure you have an account on Binance. If you do not have an account on Binance, create a new one. So after you do that on Binance with a registered and verified account, head to the assets menu or the wallet menu at the bottom right of the screen. From the overview, scroll to your spot of funding depending on where you have your Solana token. Now, your next step would be to click on the withdraw option where you have the token and then simply search for Sol. So use the search icon to search for Solana, then click on send via crypto network. Alright, you're now met with the address network and minimum withdrawal amount for the network. Select the Solana network, not the BNB Smart chain. So go with Solana, you're asked to provide an address. So minimize and open up your Phantom wallet. Make sure you set up the Phantom wallet, click on the receive icon, copy your Solana address or use the QR code icon to copy your QR code or scan it, and then head back to Binance, paste the address you just copied, enter the minimum withdrawal amount, and then click on withdraw. By doing so, you have successfully withdrawn your Solana tokens from your Binance over to your Phantom wallet, which you could then reload to find your Solana on your wallet. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.